frag rack upgrade. Yes people, what's good and welcome back to the channel. So today guys, we're going to talk about the little upgrade I had done for the TMC. Now I have two frag racks on the back wall of my tank, and I think I've posted a couple of videos showing you guys how I got the corals from off the sand using these bad boys. Now this is a suction cup frag rack, and I do have little packs, yeah, from HC Aquatics that will be sold on the website with these 3D printed frag racks on this, so make sure you guys check that out. Now with the suction cups on this, suction cups are boom, like wicked. Put this onto your glass and it ain't moving, fam, trust me, yeah, good frag racks. However, I was not getting the water flow that I wanted from the underneath side of it, so it's quite restrictive in the way it's designed. So it's really good at holding frag plugs, but for the colonies I have situated on both the frag racks inside the tank currently, just wasn't cutting it for me personally. So I've spoke to my friends at Aquaprint, yeah, and I've got a good relationship with Aquaprint. I said to him, look brethren, could you make me something that's a bit different? So he said to me, yeah, no problem, send me some measurements, and then this is what he came up with. He came up with this bad boy, a honeycomb frag rack that's bespoke to my aquarium. Now I think he has this on his website, but the dimensions, yeah, if you look, are a bit different. So if you can see the black one at the back, let me turn it around for you. Yeah, so if you can see the black one at the back, the black one, or the color one, you can see the difference in the size and the length. I believe this is about 16 centimeters across. So diagonally, when you place it into that corner on the back of your aquarium, if you have a similar aquarium to mine, yeah, it'll fit on nicely there, yeah, no gaps or nothing, just a seamless look, yeah. And also it's magnetic, so you can literally just slide it up and down when you need to clean your glass, and then you're done, yeah. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take off these ones here, yeah, and give the glass a really good clean, and then put those on, and I'm going to show you guys what they look like after. So yeah guys, I'm really happy with the results. I mean, like, I have more surface area, so I can put those mini colonies on. I can move them left and right, and even now I've moved them closer towards the light, so they're getting that full spectrum rather than rotating them every week to ensure that both sides are getting it. That was crazy, yeah. So now what I'm doing with my tank, I'm actually just building up like 2 bits of SPS on either side, so it just makes the tank look a bit mad with SPS, yeah. That's the intention, that's the goal. I'm just going to work towards that. ATI now is stable, yeah. Alkalinity is just like rock solid. Calcium just sits between like that 430 and 450, and I'm dosed in 132 mil at the moment, right? So this is, it's good, and it lasts quite long, and it's much cheaper than the Aquaforest stuff I was doing, yeah. So guys, this is Nora for HC Aquatics Reefing. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you next time.